Welcome to MEC 2311 for Engineers, Exam 3, problem number 2. In this problem, they go ahead and they give you the following function and the interval 1 to 3. And they want you to go ahead and state which c is guaranteed by the mean value theorem to exist. So what does mean value theorem state? Well, we know that if the function is continuous on the interval and differentiable on the interval, not including the endpoints, then the derivative of that function, at some point the derivative of that function is going to be equal to the average rate of change of that function, which is the whole f of b minus f of a all over b minus a. So we can see that it's going to be continuous and differentiable. The only on the interval, I mean 0 would give you a problem, but 0 is not in this interval, so we're fine on that. So now we know that mean value theorem should hold for at least one value c. So we need to take the derivative, because we're going to use that in a bit. So the derivative of this, the 1 goes away, and this just becomes negative 2 over x squared. So now they state that, or the theorem states, that your f prime of some value c would be equal to the average rate of change on this interval. So that means that you're going to get negative 2 over c squared is equal to f of 3 minus f of 1 all over 3 minus 1. So now we just need to solve that equation out. So it's going to be negative 2 over c squared is equal to, and then when you plug 3 into the original function, you get 1 plus 2/3, so that's actually 5/3, minus, and f of 1 is just going to give you 3. And then this is all over 2. Now 3 is actually 9/3, so 5/3 minus 9/3 is negative 4/3. But if you divide negative 4/3 by 2, you get negative 2/3. So this all comes out to be negative 2/3. So then you can see that you just have negative 2 over c squared is equal to negative 2/3. See the negative and negative cancels out, the 2 and the 2 cancels out. You can cross multiply over here and get 3 over here and c squared over there. So you basically end up getting c squared is equal to 3. Then you want to take the square root of both sides. Remember, when you take the square root, you get plus or minus. So now we're getting a c equals plus or minus square root of 3. But the c that's guaranteed is the c that's inside the interval. So therefore, the negative clearly isn't our answer. So it's only going to be the square root of 3, which is the guaranteed c. And that's answer choice C. And that's it.